Lucas, is that how you like your marshmallows?
Yep. Graham cracker or no?
We're at Latta Plantation Nature Preserve, and we are roasting marshmallows at a campfire. Abram just got his regular marshmallows. Marcus is getting his on fire. Whoop. Okay. Is this how you like it, Marcus?
Yeah!
You like it burnt a little bit? That's how Mommy likes this. Can you sit down right here? Just like Lucas. We are at Latta Plantation, and they have this whole area. We just did a campfire, and now they have this whole area that's like outdoor play. So Abram's playing with the rope swing. You want to go stand on that side? You can stand in it right here and swing. Whee! Are you holding on? Yay, Abram! Whoop! Good job, buddy. Watch your step. Oh, Lucas is on a rope swing over here. Watch your step, Abram. Hey, Lucas. That's pretty cool.
No, I'm gonna get a running start.
Whoa, well, don't hit us. Wait, wait, wait. Abram, come this way. Seth, watch out.
And if I fall? Woo! No hands! Oh!
I was videoing Lucas going over the rope swing, and Marcus is over here climbing this wall by himself.
Up here.
You are up here. He went all the way from the bottom to the top. Are you going to flip to the other side and climb down? Yeah, you can. Just flip your legs over. You got it. Put your toe down. There you go. There you go. And then you climb down. Don't hit Abram's toe or fingers. Now move hands. Move your hands. Move your hands and feet. Yep. Whoop. Good job, buddy. You did it. My turn. Go ahead. Okay, climb up. Another step. That's good job.
Watch out, Marcus.
Go, Abram. Abram, you're at the top. Yeah, keep going. Go to the other side.
Come on, Abram. Come here.
Climb up.
Come to me.
Seth will help you. Hold on, Marcus, and I'll help you.
Do it, Abram. What?
Abram's going through. Flip his legs. Yeah, help him get through. Climb through the middle. There you go, Abram. Woo! You did it! Sethy, he helped you, huh? All right, Marcus.
That was built by an Eagle Scout.
An Eagle Scout? This thing?
Yeah.
That's cool, buddy.
And I think they'll...
Put your foot up. Keep going.
tunnel.
Push. Push with your leg. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Find a spot. Find a spot for your feet. Can you go down that side? Yeah, you can. Okay. Slide your feet down. Hold your arms. Hook your arms in. Slide down, slide down. Woo! Let's go find something else, buddy. You want to do it too? Okay. Climb up. Put this foot up. Whoop. Put it up. Step up. Step up, step up. You can do it. You can do it. Abram, look at you.
Can you trust me? Now fall.
Woo! He's so happy. Seth found a really cool Eagle Scout project over here. Seth, where'd he go? Oh, it's like, anyways. You want to tell about it? Is Eagle Scout project?
Yeah.
Like netting to crawl through.
I'm not quite sure if this was part of it, but I know this is part of it.
I bet the whole thing was. And so the plaque says, Trevor Pitts, Eagle Scout Project, Troop 42, March 2018. Does it give you an idea? Oh. I always tell Seth to keep his eye out for projects like this. So we've seen a lot of Eagle Scout projects. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking I build something.
Build something out like at a nature center or a park?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Sounds like a good Eagle Scout project. I think most of them are building something, aren't they? Aren't most of them building something?
Yeah.
Good idea, bud.
Oh.
I didn't even see that was... Yeah, all this goes into the wood. Okay, so the whole thing is an Eagle Scout project, and like the wood logs are bolted to the trees so you can go around them all. That's pretty cool. Whoop, whoop. It's okay, it's okay. All right, Marcus, you can do it. Army crawl through there, man. You okay, Abram? You got it? Are you gonna go sleep? Take a nap? Nap. Marcus, good job. Oh, you can do it, buddy. Just keep walking through. Is that tough? Hold on, Abram. Hold on. Whoa, great job, Marcus. You made it. Are those part of it, Seth? Oh, I don't think they secured them way up there. I think those are just pieces that.
Yeah, they're just random.
That. Maybe Seth can help you. Whoa!
Kind of like a tightrope. You just need to stay focused.
Okay, come on to this side. On this
You
side.
can do it, Marcus.
You ready?
Jump on it, Marcus. Sit down. Sit down on it. You can do it, buddy. Oh, stand or sit? Whoa! Marcus is doing it. Woo!
Marcus, may I try?
Sit. Get off, Marcus.
Whoop.
Oh no.
Marcus,
Oh,
may I-
no, you're back over here, Marcus. Well, you already had a turn, so just give him another second, and then you can get it back.
Oh.
Okay.
My turn?
My turn. Say my turn. All right. Grab onto it. Okay, ready? Woo! Yay! Can you see it?
Yeah.
Good. That's really cool. Okay.
Good
deal.
Press the sign now. Not as nervous anymore. There's still that little bit of me that's like, oh, this.
I think you're too trusting. That's awesome. So one thing, my rule is I never help other people's kids because I'm always afraid like that if they get hurt, I'll be the one in trouble. So I never do it. All right, Lucas has climbed a tree and it's bouncing. That's pretty cool, bud. Whoa.
I'm in 18.
Pretty sure Lucas is from the Jungle Book. He's Mowgli, hanging on trees.
I'm in AT-AT. I'll train Abram transport.
Did Seth save you? I should save you. A window?
It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You gonna go in the house? Watch your step, Abram. Watch your step. Are there spiders in there?
No.
I don't want to go in.
Come on, Mom, come in. Join the fun.
Is there spiders in there for real? I don't want to go in there. Hi.
There is no spiders.
I don't like spiders. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. It's actually really tall in here.
It is.
Is this the coolest? Whoa! Be careful, Abram. This is a pretty cool little house.
People, guys.
Peekaboo. boo, guys. All right, Marcus, leave it up above the wood, okay? You got it, bud.
You ready? I'm going to teach you a trick. So if you bend like this,
Like this?
hold it, and the marshmallow won't slide off. Stay nice and high, away from all the wood, but I'm
Ooh, and it's getting toasty. Blow it out, Marcus.
Good job. There you go. Put it back over just a little bit. Is it the other side?
You can get the other side toasted?
Yeah.
Do you want another one? You want a toasted marshmallow?
No.
A burnt marshmallow? Is that yummy? Mm-hmm. What do you got, Abram? Say marshmallow?
Watch it careful so it doesn't fall off because it's so melted.
Yes. Did you climb to the top of the net?
Yes.
You went all the way from the bottom up to the top. All right, you did awesome, bud.
All by myself.
So Lucas is swinging on that. Seth's going over that. All right, how am I supposed to get you down, bro?
I sound myself.
Ooh, you're gonna climb down by yourself? Okay, there's 1 foot. Okay, there's 2 feet. Move your hands now. Another foot. Whoop. Another foot, there you go. There you go. Marcus, you are amazing. Are you guys like gladiator challenging each other on those vines? Boys, I'm not. I really don't want to go to the ER today. Please don't break yourself.
Well, maybe you'll have to take this, but you won't.
How about Mama helps you? Yeah? Whoa, Seth! Oh. Go, Seth, go.
I just tried these. What?
You never tried those before? Those handles? Look at me. Marcus, woo! Was that pretty cool?
Yes.
Do you want to get down?
Yes.
Okay. You want me to help you?
Yes.
Okay. Ah! All right, all right. That's fun. Hey! Keep it, stay on. Walk around him.
We.
See how he's sitting on it?
We. Yay.